Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook simple Chinese steamed egg with meatballs. Hope you will like it. First, prepare the pork and cut it. Use the meat grinder to mice the pork. Add 1 spoon of cooking wine, 1 spoon of soy sauce, 1 spoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of starch. Mix well. Prepare a plate and make the pork into suitable sized meatballs. Cut some ginger. Put the ginger onto each of the meatballs. Prepare the steamer and steam the meatballs for 10 minutes. Now we need to crack 2 eggs. Add half teaspoon of salt. Add some water to it. And don't forget to remove the bubbles. Remove the gingers from the meatballs. Pour the egg into the plate. Cover the steamer and steam it for another 10 minutes. Now we need to add 1 spoon of sesame oil, 1 spoon of seafood soy sauce. Cut some scallion and add it to the dish. And now it is ready. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, and I will see you guys soon.